Hello, it's Andrea from Coreware, and today's vlog is about space exploration and robots. Last weekend I saw a movie Gravity with Sandra Bullock and George Clooney. For those of you who don't know, it's a 3D science fiction thriller. I won't give away any spoilers or tell you anything about the movie, but I will say that the movie was amazing and I recommend everybody to watch it. The movie, of course, made me want to Google things about space exploration, and I found the Kylie Maxey article on engineering.com. The article is about the future of robotic space exploration and talks about robots having to take the step forward to lead the next wave of space exploration, since cutbacks have been made for most manned missions in space. This has inspired and sparked the vision of multi-use machines, autonomous bots, and alternate morphologies that could soon advance our understanding of the moon, Mars, and beyond. Using this type of technology and machinery equipment makes space exploration much easier. Robots can adapt to any situation and make planetary mapping and exploration a quick and easy process. So here's a clip from a video by the European Space Agencies, who are the ones with this ambitious plan. You can watch the whole video in the article. The link is posted in the description box. Leave us a comment and please subscribe.